Now let's begin the action. So we will begin the action with the installation of Matplotlib. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to install Matplotlib, and you also install Matplotlib along with me. Okay. To do that, let's get into the Matplotlib documentation first. So let me type Matplotlib documentation. This is Matplotlib 3.7.1 documentation, the latest one. And here you can see that if you want to support the Matplotlib, you can support from here, or else you can directly get into the documentation, and here you can see the installation page. So this installation page gives the commands for two methods. One is install using pip and install using conda. If you are using conda package for your anaconda environment or conda environment, then you copy this code, copy this command, directly click on this link and copy to the click on this icon and copy to the clipboard, and you paste it in your conda environment. But here I am using pip, Python installation package manager. So what I'm gonna do is, so that's the reason I'm gonna copy this command. So pip install matplotlib and come to the Windows PowerShell and open it or run it as an administrator and click on S and clear the screen first, then paste the command here and click execute, and here is that. So my Matplotlib has already been installed. If you haven't installed it, your installation wizard might have started the process of installation of Matplotlib. However, for me, the requirement already satisfied. That you can clearly see on the screen. So for me, the Matplotlib has been installed. Just to cross check whether Matplotlib has been installed or not. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open version and hands on. I'm gonna click a shift plus a right mouse click and click on open PowerShell window here. Then let me clear the screen and say Jupyter notebook, and here it is, your Jupyter notebook dashboard has been opened. Here just click on new drop down icon and click on Python 3. That's Python kernel, and then the name it change the name to the Matplotlib introduction introduction Matplotlib introduction, and click on rename. So let's see, let's try to import because we have installed it. So now let's try to install sorry, let's try to import Matplotlib. Okay, import matplotlib dot py. That's what we're gonna give. Let me type the command here. So import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, and here is that. So it's been successfully imported, the main package plt, that I'm gonna go for that. And this consists of, this is called a namespace. In Python, we call it as a namespace. This is the PLT namespace, and this consists of annotation, arrow, artist button circle. So once the import has been done, so we got an access to the PLT namespace, and these are the tools of PLT can be used by us. You can see the formatter, line 2D, locator, multiple locator, number, polar axis, scalar formatter, and these are underscore ones. Doc strings are also there. So if you remember the public private variables, then you will understand what are those. And barsh, CLA, and many more, many more. You see that lot of pi, you can see the pi here. And most of the things we'll be exploring one by one, not to worry. Stack plot and a lot. Okay, and y stick, this is y ticks, this is ticks, and this is y label, this is x ticks, this is x scale, x label, and what are those v lines. So all those things we'll be looking into that one by one. And you can see that title here, time, and title here. So all these things we will be looking into one by one, and not to worry. So the import has been successful, and now let's move ahead with Matplotlib.